Hello, beautiful people. We are here again, continuing our talk about spiritual awakening and spiritual growth, self-work. And in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about forgiveness. Forgiveness is very meaningful in self-work, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that here. To forgive is not to forget. It is to be free. In spiritual awakening, forgiveness isn't just an act towards others. It is a return to our own wholeness. When we awaken, we realize that holding on into pain or blame or resentment is like drinking poison and hoping that someone else will get sick. Forgiveness is the soul's way of saying, I choose peace over punishment. I choose release over revenge. It doesn't mean that what happened was okay. It means I will no longer let it control my heart. It means that I trust the healing. It means that I trust healing myself will heal the world. In awakening, you see pain in others that causes hurt. You see your own wounds too. From that awareness, compassion grows, not weakness but strength, rooted in love. Forgiveness is the bridge between who we were and who we are becoming. It's a breath of the awakening spirit, whispering, I let go, I rise. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for your support. Always, it's my pleasure being here with you. May love and light be with you wherever you go. Until next time, bye-bye.